Dileep is back again in the news. Now this time for a very different reason. Recently, Manju Warrier put up on Facebook a certain letter where she mentioned that none of her friends are responsible for her divorce or separation for that matter. And it is only her and her personal reasons. Well, taking after this, Dileep also very recently put up another letter on Facebook. It's nothing to do with the divorce, paksha veru reason aanu. Apparently in his letter there are a lot of people, either individuals agam allenguru group avam, people are really trying hard to bring him down in his career through his movies and personal life, etc. Appo adugondu now he's told to the media and everyone that you can have your personal fun. Paksha, you should be a little considerate because I have a teenager daughter with me living in my house. Adugondu ningal media il endokka parnal polum it's going to affect my daughter. Well, I think people should be a little considerate in the kind of things you talk about Dileep because after all it's going to affect his daughter in many different ways and ways more than one. The movie called I, which stars Vikram and Amy Jackson in the lead role, which will be produced by Askar Ramachandran, and Shankar will be directing this movie. Now, people go to different new heights for getting into PR and promoting their movie. As we saw with the movie with Amir Khan, the way he's gone all about his promotion. But now, keeping that aside, this movie I tells you that you can get a chance to meet Arnold Schwarzenegger, the great Hollywood star. Only thing that you have to do is post a picture of that movie in your Facebook profile and also put your status as I, and if you're lucky you can be chosen to meet Arnold Schwarzenegger in person. Well, the things people do for promotion these days.
Hello India. I want to congratulate a great director, Mr. Shankar, for directing the movie I. I mean, it's a spectacular movie with a lot of visual effects. And I will be coming over there to India to celebrate the grand launch of the audio of I. And it's going to be a spectacular event, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you over there. Chennai, September 15th, I will be there for the great celebration. So, hasta la vista, baby.
Katrina Kaif has won herself another crown. Now this time the crown is being chosen as the sexiest woman alive by the youth this year. Now she overtook Angelina Jolie and Beyonce by a 37%. Now this is really surprising, Ale. Besides being chosen as India's most beautiful woman and also as the sexiest woman in the world for the 5th year in a row. Now this is really a feather in her cap, and of course another one for that matter. Well, way to go, cats, and hope your movie Bang Bang really rocks at the box office.
दिल की मांगे थोड़ी थी कम, हर दुआ भी थोड़ी मध्यम। तूने कांधे पे सर झुकाया जब, जैसे दरगाह पे बांधे धागे तब, बिना मांगे ही मिल गया है सब। मेहरबान हुआ, मेहरबान हुआ, मेहरबान हुआ, मेहरबान हुआ। हाथों को तेरे अपने हाथों में ले लेती हूँ कि तकदीरें अपनी सारी पढ़ लूं। आँखों में तेरे छुपते अरमां में ढूंढता हूँ, बस तू सोचे और पूरे मैं कर दूं। अभी अभी तो हम अधूरे थे, पूरे हो गए तेरे रूबरू। ये भी दिखे ना कहाँ मैं खत्म कहाँ तू शुरू, आँखें तेरी गिरती है जब, अब तो नींदें आती है तब, हमको लगता है कुछ दिनों से अब, तू इबादत है तू ही है मज़हब। कहाँ और कब मेहरबान